What's up, guys, man? We back in the farm, and check this out, man. It's about to pour down raining, so we had to come out here. We had to get some zucchini. We had to pick some zucchini, and we want to show y'all, man, how big our zucchini has gotten. Now, Misha picked the one zucchini on what day that was? Tuesday, and this how big it was on Tuesday. Yep, that's how big it was on Tuesday. Now, look at them, and today is what? Saturday. Let's see how big these things is grown. So check this out.
I'm about to clip these zucchinis. I wonder how many do we have. So, okay, we're about to count and see. Let's see. Oh, they got some kind of bug. Yeah. This is a big one. Huh? This is a big one. Uh-oh. Wow.
Good Lord.
Okay. One down. This is the size we're supposed to pick them at. We're gonna make some good zucchini bread. Oh, going. That should be too far.
How many pounds do you think you have so far, Bot?
This is a good, like, 2 pounds. This is kind of heavy.
All right, let's see what else they got. And should we normally pick them when they're this big, or we should pick them a little earlier?
Pick them a little earlier. Like, this is a really good size right here. This size. These little things have prickers. Ooh. Nice.
So, man, Misha's picking this zucchini. Now, this is the thing. When she said that sometimes you don't want to leave them too long. This is one right here that we kind of left on a little bit too long. So we're going to just cut that end off. And, yeah, so we're going to cut the end off, and we're going to still make it work. Yep. And, guys, this is the thing. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zucchini plants in this one box. And what we're getting ready to do now, we're going to go in the house, we're going to weigh the zucchini, and we're going to see how many pounds did we get. All right? Yeah.
Ooh, I'm going to be making some zucchini bread, some zucchini fritters. Ooh, they even got some new zucchini things that I can make some zucchini fries with some questions. Ooh, yeah.
What up, man? We in the kitchen today, man. Check this out. We are making some zucchini bread. That's right, man. You saw us the other day, man, out in the garden, picking the zucchini that we grew. It was very, very easy to grow, man. You just put them suckers in the ground and, man, bomb. Next thing you know, you got big old huge zucchini. So this is the thing. I'm about to show you just exactly how you can make some zucchini bread at your house. And a lot of times we might say, ooh, zucchini, man, I'm not really feeling like zucchini. But this is the thing, man. That thing makes a really, really great, I guess you could say, to me, it's almost like a dessert, really. But yeah, so, man, zucchini bread is what we're making. And I'm going to go and show Misha that I know how to make zucchini bread. So check this out. All right, guys, first things first, man, all you have to do is get you a large bowl, 3 cups of flour. After the 3 cups of flour, you're going to come in with your salt. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and you're going to get that stove at 325. And look, you're going to whisk all that stuff together because you want to make sure all that stuff is incorporated really, really good, right? So, yeah, man, you're just going to whip that thing, just let it whip. I mean, you whip it however you want to whip it. All right, next thing you're going to do, you're going to get you another bowl, and now you're going to go with the wet ingredients. You want to take 3 eggs, and yeah, I know I'm not doing it like I want to do. Oh, I dropped the shell in the bowl, but guess what? Bam, you don't see that shell in the bowl no more. That's right, so you got 3 eggs that you're going to go on and put inside this other bowl. Now, again, we're working on the wet ingredients. So right now, you're going to take 1 cup of vegetable oil. I guess you could use any kind of vegetable oil. I'm just using regular vegetable oil. So now we're going to go in with the sugar. Recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of sugar. So, man, we're going to go ahead and put that in there. Now here, there we go. That 1/4 cup right there. Might be a little bit of 1/2 cup, but you know how it go. So we're gonna put that inside there, and guess what we're gonna do? Yep, that's right, man. Oh, I forgot. 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Now I like to use really good vanilla in my recipes, man. And now we're gonna whip that stuff together. We're gonna get those eggs going, get the sugar going, get the all blended up really, really good. That's right, man. This is the time you just whip it, baby, and whip it real good. Yep. You gotta whip it good. All right, so now, next thing we're gonna need is our zucchini. That's right, man. We're gonna need our zucchini, and this is it. So guess what we're gonna do? Chop. Yep. Cut that thing up. They're so big, man. I had to make sure they'd be able to fit into my food processor. So now we're gonna go on and grade those. Now, if you have a regular grater, you could use your regular grater, but I'm gonna use, this food processor because it makes everything go a little bit quicker. Yeah. So now you got all that stuff grated. Now the recipe really calls for about 2 1/2 cups of zucchini, but we like zucchini in our zucchini bread. So man, we're gonna go on and put a little bit more. So okay, this is the thing. This is a crucial step. All right, whenever you grated the zucchini, you did not want to squeeze the juice out, and you'll see why in just a second. Now, right now, I'm going to incorporate all my wet batter with my dry ingredients right now. All right, now I'm whipping that thing up. Yeah, I'm stirring it up, and you can see the bowl is turning wide because I'm trying to use one hand and film at the same time. Now, if you look right here, the consistency is very, very thick. It seems like, man, you can't. That thing is too firm. But here we go. 1 cup of zucchini. All right, 2 cups of zucchini, and you can see I didn't pack the cups. And I'm gonna go right there. Pretty much, I probably got 3 cups of zucchini in there. But when you start to mixing that, the water and the juices that's inside the zucchini itself is going to actually loosen up your batter. And you're going to see, man, look at the consistency in that. That's the consistency you want. I mean, it's not quite as runny as a pancake batter, but it's loosened up. So, guys, now it's time to prepare the pans. You have you can make 2 bread pan. If you had 2 bread pans, you can make 2 loaves of this zucchini bread. So we got I think it's a 4x9 pan. We're going to put that halfway. Now, if you look at the pan, you can see that I greased it up with some grease, put some flour in there because when we bake it, we don't want it to stick. We want that thing to come out as easy as possible. All right, so we got 2 loaves of zucchini bread getting ready to go in the oven. So yeah, man. So now we gotta take those. We're gonna take those 2 loaf pans. We're gonna put those on a regular pan just for easy carrying, easy putting in and out of the oven. All right. Now remember, the oven is preheated at what? 325. Now this is the thing. I put that in there at 325. We're gonna let this go on and cook for about 50 minutes to an hour. You want to make sure that everything, when you stick a toothpick in it, you want that toothpick to come out clean. And if it comes out clean, man, you know what that means, that the zucchini bread is done. That's it, man. Look how good these things look. Look how good that look right there. That's what I'm talking about. So, man, look at the smoke coming off. This thing is so, oh, Lord, this thing is hot on my fingers. Man, it's moist. It's just super delicious. You can have this thing anytime, man, for breakfast. You could have it after a meal. All right, Mish, what you got?
So just like that, we have zucchini bread.
So yeah, let's see what kind of job I done. Let's see. What it tastes like?
Tastes pretty good.
Simple, easy. I think it's pretty good. Tastes much. I think it tastes much better than that bull thistle.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, there you have it, man. It's simple and easy, man. Not only do you want to grow your own food, but you want to be able to eat your own food. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace and blessings.